Brothers, sisters, right now as you can see we are a beautiful place and which is called Farisa Resorts. So it's a really wonderful place for everyone, for Chatpur people. So brother, if you think that you need this kind of place, you can come here, you can visit this place. It will be really beneficial for you. So right now you are, if you are feeling rainy day, so I think you should come here to be and visit this place. After some time later you will understand how beautiful place is it. Also brother, we have been staying here for 3 hours, and right now actually we are feel like very well and delighted. Right now I am over the moon because today I have come with my true intelligent and man of parts, two person. Actually one of them, he with me, you can see Abdul Rahman, and he has also good at English, and he is a man of letter, and he is very hard worker brother. He can speak English very well. So please Abdul Rahman, say something for our audience.
Okay, dear audience, আমি ইংলিশ জানি না, বাংলা জানি, সো বাংলায় বলতেছি। আমরা এখানে আসছি, এটা হচ্ছে পারিশা রিসোর্ট।
No,
এবং এটা খুবই সুন্দর একটা জায়গা, আকর্ষণীয় একটা জায়গা। সো আপনি এসব সাইট ভিজিটিং প্লেসে আসতে পারেন। বেশি করে দেখা যায় আমরা যারা স্টুডেন্ট বা জব করি, জব হোল্ডার বা বিজনেসম্যান, ওদের দেখা যায় সারাদিন কাজ করার, প্রতিদিন আমরা যখন নিয়মিত হচ্ছে আপনার যখন কাজ করি, তো দেখা যায় একটা সময় আমাদের বোরিং লাগে আর পার্সোনালি ভালো লাগে না। সো আমাদের তখন এইসব ভিজিটিং প্লেসে আমরা আসতে পারি। কারণ হচ্ছে ভিজিটিং প্লেস বা নেচার যেগুলো, এগুলো হচ্ছে আপনার হচ্ছে এক ধরনের মেডিসিন, যেটা আপনার হার্টকে কিউর করতে পারে, আপনার হচ্ছে ডিপ্রেশনকে কিউর করতে পারে। So you should come this kind of places. Okay, I'm English জানি না।
He said that he don't know English, but he is very good at English. Also, he have a face. He has a face. His face.
The medicine of English, guys.
Medicine
if you
of
want to
English.
learn English, then you should go to the medicine of English. Okay, and
That
I will
time you
provide
will
you all the
understand.
medicine with 99% discount.
Okay.
See you in the medicine of English.
Okay, brother. Thank you for listening us patiently. And also, you can see behind of me a big pond. Actually, it's a really beautiful pond. And also lots of people, they are coming here to visit this place, to enjoy this place with their girlfriends, with their boyfriends, also with their wives, with their all the people. I think some people coming with their girlfriend or boyfriend. So Abdul Rahman, do you have any boyfriend or something like that?
I am a boy. I don't need any boyfriend, but I'm looking for a
Yeah.
girlfriend.
Do you have any girlfriend?
in the future? But I love halal relationship. I don't like haram relationship. Okay, and I'm
So-
gonna get married with her very soon.
From a religious
Wish me
source, I know that you have
I'm
a relationship.
religious. I'm religious. I'm pious. Okay, so I'm not
No.
looking for halal.
I know that you are hypocrite. Hypocrite person.
Really? Oh my God. Oh, he's criticizing me. Okay.
No, I'm not criticizing him. Although he is very good at English, but he has 3 girlfriends.
नहीं, मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं
right
आती है,
now.
मुझे हिंदी
So
आती है,
he
क्योंकि मैं
beated
इंडिया से
on
हूँ।
them.
मैं इंडिया से हूँ, इसलिए मुझे हिंदी आती है, मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं
He
आती है।
also can.
लेकिन
Okay.
राहुल बहुत ज़्यादा इंग्लिश जानते
Okay,
हैं।
right now as you
उसको
can
English
see
आती है।
also with us Boshir brother. So Boshir brother, how is your feeling right now?
Yeah,
after coming here?
I'm super duper excited right now, and I feel very what kind of fantastic. And you can see the natural beauty. This beauty is really fantastic, and you can see the charming scenery. And this scenery is also outstanding. And I have learned a lot of things basically from this place. And you know, you are the two gentle guys, and you have the vast of knowledge in the different topic. So that's why I can learn today the lots of things from you. And if you, and once upon a time it was the really great speech that if you wanna be a good ideal or gentle, that time you have to travel lots of places.
Yeah.
So and right now we are in a particular resource, which is this is so much famous. And today is the first time I have visited such type of place, and I can learn a lot of things. I can see the natural beauty. Wow, that is really fantastic place. And our audience will be the more benefited from our place especially. And such type of place is highly required, and such type of place is really great environment for us. So, and also we have a lot of ambition. Actually, we have come here to make our video, and we can learn the spoken English, and which is really important for us. In most of the cases, our country's people especially, they are not interested to speak. And sometimes you can see there are so many people. They can just look after. They can
Sound আসবে না তো দূর থেকে।
into-
Sound আসবে না তো দূর থেকে।
Okay, no problem.
Okay,
it will
and
come.
They are
Just
something you that
keep
your
watching.
sound is not quiet. You are not eligible to speak in the public places. It means that we are feeling shy. But if you want to succeed in your life, don't feel shy. You want to go one by one, you want to go little by little, you have to go step by step, which is really important for me. And right now, I can see the lot of people here. But I
Achha,
don't
Northern
feel any
Gladstone
kind of
different.
hesitations or any kind of complication. So
Yeah.
it's only possible for you are feeling shy. That's why everything is possible. So if you want to achieve your goal, if you want to reach your destination, so don't feel shy. Although I know that I have a lot of mistakes, that means the thousands of mistakes in the grammatical rules and regulation. I don't maintain different types of rules and regulation, but I know that my sounds is really crystal clear, and I'm eligible for that, and I can speak in English. So it's only possible for my dedication, for my effectiveness, and for my practice. So never give up, just keep practicing.
And it is also possible for you
And
because
man-
you are
man learns from
exceptional.
the mistakes.
You are exceptional.
You are exceptional, you are
That's
enameless.
why it's possible for just
You are
but
like
we
an
can't
alien.
speak
Okay,
English
I'm flying.
like you.
I'm flying right now. I'm flying.
Hey, you are from Mars, you are from Jupiter,
Yeah.
you're not from this earth, okay? That's why you are exceptional.
Yeah, actually, he right now he
And you
is
know
doing
that
job,
exceptional cannot be like
and
that.
he's
Hello, Baba, how are you?
work at very higher
can see-
company.
you can see-
You can see here is a kid,
The lovely
and it's a
baby, you can
really
see
really
here.
beautiful. Hey, come here.
Hello, Baba.
How are you?
Baba? You can see
You
the
can
cute
see
girl.
and look at the
You
camera.
can see the cute boy. Wow. Baba,
And
what's your name?
please follow our page.
He's our genuine follower.
ওর ভাষা
Yeah.
আপনি বুঝবেন না, আপনার ভাষা বুঝবেন না। Oh my
Why are you
God. Good
beat-
fighter,
beat me?
good fighter. He's gonna be a good fighter.
Okay, so brother, thank you for listening us. So see you next time. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.